In today's ever-evolving digital world, manually managing your SSL certificates can be time-consuming, error-prone, and frustrating. Let's take a look at what's involved in manually managing certificates and break down the time it takes for each process, step by step. In total, the manual process could take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days, depending on the approval process and technical knowledge required. With automation, certificates can be requested, installed, and renewed in just a few clicks, saving you hours or even days of manual work. With each manual task, you face the risk of human error, increased downtime, and frustration when things don't go as planned. And all of this takes away from focusing on what really matters, running your business. And with both Google and Apple advocating for shorter certificate lifespans in the very near future, things are about to get a lot worse, as more frequent certificate renewals exponentially increase the risk of outages. By automating your certificate lifecycle management with Sectigo, you gain more than just time savings. Automating means setting it up once and letting the system do the work for you. With fewer manual inputs, the risk of human error is drastically reduced. Renewals and installations happen automatically, keeping your business compliant and secure, regardless of how often certificates need renewing in the future. Choose security, simplicity, and peace of mind. With Sectigo Certificate Manager, put an end to manual certificate management and take control of all your certificates automatically.